Welcome to Purely Positivity, where we bring you news that inspires and motivates you. Today we're talking about GPT-4, the latest generative AI model from OpenAI. According to Financial Times, GPT-4 is a more accurate, powerful, and reasoning model than its predecessor, GPT-3. It can generate content that is almost indistinguishable from human writing and even help with tasks like calculating tax returns. But there's a downside to this incredible technology. GPT-4, like any other technology, is susceptible to abuse. Its ability to generate disinformation and impersonate people could lead to significant harm. It's crucial to acknowledge that as much as we celebrate technological advancements, we must remain vigilant and aware of the potential risks. After all, with great power comes great responsibility. OpenAI spent 6 months stress-testing GPT-4 for safety and introduced guardrails through a process known as reinforcement learning. The company accepts that the model exhibits societal biases and hallucinates facts, but it's a work in progress. It's essential to note that GPT-4's positive uses are limitless, from helping detect online fraud to improving local language chatbots. It's a fantastic tool that could empower people, as Josh Browder of Do Not Pay says. As we embrace technological advancements, let's remember to use them wisely and responsibly. That's it for today's news. Stay positive, stay motivated, and until next time, this is Purely Positivity signing off.